How to recover Notes app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Search. Then, go to the search bar at the top and type in Notes. Scroll down to find the Notes app and tap on Open beside it. In the Notes page, tap on Folders at the top left corner. Go to Recently Deleted. You will find all your recently deleted notes over here. If you want to recover any note from here, then swipe left on that note. Then, tap on the folder icon. Here, select Notes to save it. Alternatively, go back and open up the Settings app. Scroll down and go to Apps. And then, tap on Notes. Over here, go to Notes Accounts. Then, go to iCloud and make sure to turn on the Sync this iPhone feature as shown. This automatically syncs your notes to iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily recover Notes app on iPhone.